Good morning, students. Today we will start our second chapter of history, that is socialism in Europe and Russian Revolution. So we start this chapter and with the introduction. In introduction, the first segment start with the story that what had happened and what kind of society in Russia it was. So because we have read the French Revolution as I told in the introduction in the class, so let's begin because the explanation we will get simultaneously while we will discussing the टॉपिक. तो एज ऑफ द सोशल चेंज, क्योंकि हमने फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन को पढ़ा है तो हमें ये भी पता है कि फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन वाज द रूट एंड फाउंडेशन ऑफ एनी काइंड ऑफ रेवोल्यूशन इन द वर्ल्ड. सो फ्रेंच के बाद ये जो अलग रेवोल्यूशन होती है रशियन रेवोल्यूशन, वी विल सी व्हाट हैपेंड इन दैट रशियन रेवोल्यूशन. So, in the previous chapter, you read about the powerful ideas of freedom, equality that circulated in Europe after the French Revolution. मतलब हर किसी की जुबान पर अब इक्वलिटी और फ्रीडम का ही एक बोलबाला था. The French Revolution opened a possibility of creating a dramatic change in the way which society was structured. हर कोई चाहता था कि सोसाइटी का स्ट्रक्चर जैसी बनी है उसको चेंज करें, बिकॉज पीपल वर नॉट हैप्पी विद द डेस्पोटिक rulers. As you have read, before the 18th century, society was broadly divided into the estates or order. It was the aristocratic and church which control the economic social power. It in European countries everywhere it was happening, means the two power are main, first of church king and second of church. So both are collectively ruling over the people, and suddenly after the revolution it seems possible to change this. When revolution happened in France, so people start having a hope in with the spirit of hope, like they can also change the society. It was in everyone's mind. So, in many parts of the world, including Europe and Asia, new ideas about individual rights and who control the social power began to be discussed. So, everywhere, such kind of ideas start discussing among the people, and in the world, it was, you can say, like, means a fire sprinkling everywhere. Okay, so means like in Europe and Asia, the new ideas and individual right who have controlled the social begin to discuss. In India, it was like Raja Ram Mohan Rai and Desrosiers talked to the significance of French Revolution. मतलब जो हमारे यहाँ scholars, philosophers हुए हैं वो भी इस चीज़ को लोगों को मतलब बुला बुला के गैदरिंग करके या अट्रैक्ट करके अपनी तरफ इन पॉइंट्स को लोगों को, जो अच्छे लोग थे मतलब एजुकेटेड लोग थे, फिलोसोफर लाइक थे, पढ़े लिखे यूथ थे, दे वर अंडरस्टैंडिंग द पावर ऑफ रेवोल्यूशन and many other debating the ideas of post-revolutionary Europe. And many other debating the ideas of post-revolutionary Europe, the developments in the colonies in return reshaped these ideas, the society चेंज, सोसाइटियल चेंज. अब इस रेवोल्यूशन से क्या हुआ कि हर जगह जब यही डिस्कशन था तो इससे क्या हुआ, पीपल वर demanding for change and they were happy this particular change because there was a space of put forwarding their ideas, needs and demands and to change the system of society. Not everyone in Europe, however, wanted to complete transformation of society. Responses varied from those who accepted that some changes was necessary but wished a gradual shift to those who wanted restructure the society radically, and some were conservatives and other were liberals and radicals. So here I want to tell कि चेंज तो सभी चाहते हैं बट एवरी सोसाइटी लाइक इफ वी हैव डिस्कस फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन तो वहाँ पर भी हमको 3 कैटेगरी 3 कैटेगरी हमको दिखाई दिए, 3 कैटेगरी, जिसमें कि फर्स्ट था स्टेट, सेकंड स्टेट था, थर्ड स्टेट था। ठीक है, हम इसमें जानते हैं कि फर्स्ट कौन थे, किंग थे। ठीक है, दूसरे में आपके प्रीस्ट थे, तीसरे में आपके पीपल थे, 2 काइंड ऑफ पीपल। ठीक है, लेकिन यहाँ पर क्या है, यहाँ पर भी कुछ ऐसा ही है। यहाँ हमने लोगों को कैटेगराइज किया। ठीक है, लोगों की सोच को कैटेगराइज किया। वहाँ हमने सोसाइटी को कैटेगराइज किया था, यहाँ हम सोच कैटेगराइज कर रहे हैं। एक है आपका लिबरल, सेकंड है आपको रेडिकल, थर्ड है आपका कंजर्वेटिव। So these 3 categories were there, and these 3 categories differently thinking about the societies. Okay, so what did these terms really mean in the context of the time? What separated these trends of political and what kind of them together? We must remember that these terms do not mean the same thing in all context of all the time. So we will look briefly at some of the important political tradition the 19th century and see how they influenced the change, and then we will focus on one of the historical event in which there was an attempt at a radical transformation of society, and through the revolution in Russia, socialism, some one of the most significant and powerful ideas to shape society in the 20th century. So means by these 3 categories, that is liberal, radical and conservative, how they shape the societies accordingly, and what happened in Russia, what happened in that society, we'll discuss. So this was the introduction. Read this introduction, means what is the social change and what did happen with this social change, we'll discuss in next video. Thank you.